So you'd like to learn to crochet? Well, you've got 4 options. You could buy a book. The problem with that is that there's no one on hand to help you when your hands won't do what the pictures are showing you. I know. I'll ask a friend. Which one of my friends is really patient? You can search on YouTube. Learn to crochet. But where do you start? So many choices, so many options. And what's English? And what's US? And where do we begin? So then the next thing to do is book a class. But wait, all of those crochet teachers that are really quite good are fully booked. There is another way that is totally and utterly unique, and another way that is totally and utterly 100% guaranteed to get you crocheting. Semi-virtual crochet courses. So what is semi-virtual and why does it work? It's called semi-virtual because not only are your courses online and therefore out there on the internet, you also receive in-person support from me. You don't have to struggle at home using the tools that you've already got. You're going to receive a really lovely kit in a beautiful bag full of quality equipment. A professionally printed instruction manual. What's more is it's nothing like YouTube because it's been professionally filmed and edited. There's no jargon, just clear speaking tuition, direct from me. It's like having me in your living room, right there by your side. So Claire, you mentioned it was 100% guaranteed. How can you do that? It's easy. I've got a secret ingredient. This tiny piece of crochet. I'm not going to tell you why, because that would be telling. But this baby is going to have you crocheting in no time at all. My methods aren't patented, but they probably should be. I've taught hundreds of people how to crochet successfully. The reviews and testimonials that come from my clients speak for themselves. I am that confident that I can teach you to crochet that I will offer you a 100% money back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Go and click the button. Buy yourself a course and get started today. Just think of all the lovely things you could be making while you're sitting there making a decision. Press the button. Do it now.